welcome to my channel, and in today's video is going to be an unfinished room tour. And I say unfinished because I am content with where it's at right now, but I'll probably be moving in the next year, and there is no point in spending a butt ton of money, buttload, whatever the term is, and finish this room. So I love white and I love bright, and my favorite color is teal. I don't know what it is. When I was younger, it used to be pink and blue, but now it is teal, and I am dead set on this color. I love this color, so there are so much accents of teal in my room. And when I move, my room finally will be all teal, and then Lovebug's room. Oh, I thought she was right behind me. She left. Lovebug's room will be whatever color she wants it to be. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I'll tell you guys the things I would love to change and what I would like to change them to. But this is the room tour. Okay, so from my door, this is what you see. And my carpet's all messed up, and I'll explain that in a few minutes. So, like I said, I love my curtains to be gray, blackout curtains that match my bedding, but that's not happening. So my bedding is from Madison Park, I believe. I'll try to link it down below. Leslie has stained all of my decorative pillows, so I have to buy new ones. Mom life, but this is what it looks like. I love this bedding, and it's actually for a queen size bed, but right when I was about to get a queen size bed, I got pregnant. So that's what happened there. Also, this is from IKEA, but I would love to get a white nightstand. And in here, this top drawer, I have like my planners, my glasses, my lipsticks, all that stuff. Leslie's staring at me. And then here I have like my socks, underwear, and bras, my laundry basket. And then beside my bed, I have my eye masks I do wear every single night because Leslie sleeps with the lamp on, which I got this from Marshall's. And then I have my 5-minute journal, Jane the Virgin book, and then all my motivational books and potty training book. But yeah, and then I love this book. It's so freaking good. Now I have my water. I always have my water bottle besides my bed. We don't have any more sticks, Bugs. No, we don't got any more. Anyhow. And then under my bed, I have all my slippers and my socks and all that stuff over there. 2 pairs of slippers because I love slippers. Then I have an extra diaper bag, and then a whole bunch of storage bins under there. And then over there I have another one. So under my bed is literally storage. Okay, so going over here to the end of my bed, I got these from Walmart. And then I have my school bag here along with my laptop. So in this top one, I have like vitamins, deodorant, my Scentsy stuff, all of that jazz. Then I have Leslie's pajamas, her dance clothes, creams, lotions, polysporin, her hair stuff's in here. Just extra creams that obviously she can't get into because I have it locked. And then in here, I have all of our pajamas. Not pajamas, our bathing suits, my bad. And then I have all of her socks. And then I have a whole bunch of books here. And she doesn't even read these. She might read them to, like, her animals. And then I have... This is from her bouncer. But... Found you donuts? Okay, Mommy will open them in a minute, okay? Anyhow. And then, yeah. So this is from her bouncer. And it has... her music she listens to every night. And then I have my Scentsy. This scent is Mystery Man, which is my all-time favorite scent. It smells like a man's cologne, and then this is what it looks like. I love mason jars, so love this. Barely on though, because last time I turned it on, Leslie spilled it all over my bed. Love that vibe. And then there's the beautiful fence that's all over my Instagram that everyone loves. And then I have my curtains over top, so my neighbors ever can't see me when these are open. And then if you go over here, this is my closet, and it is covered in teal, which I love. The floor. Okay, I should explain my carpet. So my closet is very organized, I would say. And here is why. I'll go through it quickly. So at the end here, I have my Aldo purse. I love this purse. And then I have all of Leslie's dress-up dresses here. And then she has one in the living room. All of Leslie's tutus. If you guys know my child, you guys know. Tutus are her thing. So we have all of her tutus. And then just her t-shirt, well, tank top dresses. And then her overalls. And then it goes into my bodysuits. Tank tops, still bodysuit, and then white t-shirts, and then the collar neck shirts, pink, yellow, and then goes stripes, and then long sleeves, and then it goes to baseball tees, which one is in the laundry. And then it goes to these cutout back athletic wear shirts. And then I have 2 pink shirts, one's also in the laundry, that I put here. And then my gray shirts that feed into my dark blue shirts, my black, and then my summer dresses and nice shirt, along with this like scarf cardigan thingamajigger.
Mom.
It's stuck. Do you want me to really open that right now? Don't mind Leslie crying in the background, please. But then you go over here, you have my merch sweaters, and then another sweater, my flannels, love my flannels, my short overalls, whatever the short term is, then I normally have my athletic sweaters here along with my cardigans. In here is pajamas, and then in here is my track pants, leggings, and jeans. Then down here is all my athletic wear, shorts, and a shit ton of sports bras. And then I have my booties, my heels, my running shoes, extra hangers. And then over here I have my huge diaper bag for like water parks and amusement parks, all that stuff. And then I have my guest purse here that has milk on it, so that's fun. And then Leslie's bed is from Wayfair, and she has actually Sharpied, before I locked them all up, all over it. All over her bed. So that is fun. But this is what her bed looks like. She attempted to fold that blanket, didn't work out. She has all of her stuffed animals. We love Dr. Seuss and Mickey Mouse, as you can tell. Then she has her teddy bears, and I need to get a satin pillowcase to help with keeping the moisture in her hair. And this is from a Toys R Us, and it is, well, it was her old chair. Now she has a couch that she got. So her old chair is in here. And then I have my whiteboard here, which I love. My whiteboard. It's how I keep track of everything every day, all my goals I'm checking off, and just daily things I need to remember, all that jazz. And then over here, I have my dresser, which is actually counted as my change table too, which matches, is the same wood as my bed. But yeah, so I have the change cover pad thingamajigger, and I have wipes. She is potty trained, so we don't really use wipes anymore for the change pad. And then the top drawer here, we have diapers, which we don't really use, but they're in here because she wears them at night. And then we have just like, what are these called? Change pads to go along with. We have an extra book that she got given to her. All of her bows are in this thing. And then I have breast pads in here, which I don't even know why they're in here. They're just filling up space kind of thing. And then I have her hair, combs, and water bottle. And then her like nose free to suck thing that we don't use. And then a whole bunch of bracelets she's literally taken from my sister's. Well, this is hers. And then some doll tweezers. And some change, apparently. Oh yeah, and then this is for her ear thingamajigger. And then I go to a tanning bed, so I have the goggles right here. Then I have reusable, what are these called? Straws. My cards, extra phone case, plugs for the wall covers. This thing I got in my FabFitFun box. And then this is where I keep, like, I have the Santa pictures there. Just important, like, letters and all that kind of stuff. I just kind of keep right here. And then I have my super, super old camera in here, the baby monitor, an extra plug thing, the thermometer my mom used when we were little, and, oh, ponytail, and then my ex's key from my house. That's cool. And then I have my Pandora box, diaper bags, but I don't even know why they're in here, 'cause again, we don't use diapers. And then my People's thing for my earrings. But yeah, that's in there. And then I'm going to the second one.
Mom.
What, baby?
Let's go.
Oh, thanks. Is that for me?
For me.
Oh, so nice.
But Mom.
Now you're going to have it on my bed? Love that. All right. And then in this, we have her jean pile. Very little jeans. Shorts. And then athletic wear. These are like bike shorts. And then her leggings are all back here. Her underwear. More of her underwear. This girl has so much underwear, guys. It's ridiculous. And then these are her white shorts and white skirt, shorts, jean shorts, and then these cute little shorts, and then shorts that are too big. And then all of her long sleeves shirts and shirts with hoods, and then just regular basic shirts that are mostly all stained because toddler life. that's that. Do you guys like my new shoes I just got the other day? So cute. I wanted the all lavender ones, but they did not have my size. What a surprise. And then these I put underneath her sheet for her bed. So they're all kind of stained, but they're just extra receiving blankets. Literally so many. And then swaddle blankets. Don't know why. And then my favorite swaddle blanket. Her towel. Pillowcases. Her old tap shoes. The matching shirt to me that doesn't fit her. And then just these Sherpa sweaters for the winter. And then extra bed sheets. So going up from there is this thing, which I hate this thing, but it is just a shelf to keep everything that Leslie cannot touch out of her reach. So I have her lotion up there, then her sunscreen, her diaper cream, and then her eczema cream, and then stuff for her hair, just this oil, and then her other hair stuff that's coming in the mail, so that will all be up here too. Her nail clippers, my allergy medication, and then my eye drops. What else? I think that's it. Oh, and then I have a dime up there. Then I have my hat. Her hat normally sits under this. And then her necklaces along with someone at the hospital knit these.
Mom!
So they're just always there. And then I have a pool noodle hack, mom hack, pool noodle cut in half on my door. So Leslie can't slam the door nor shut her fingers in the door. Then I have her towel, my towel, her dance bag, and then I just have my raincoat here. So that just brings me over here. I'll give you guys an overview again, so you guys get the drift. And then my school bag, window. But yeah. So this is my room looks like. It's nothing really too fancy at all, I wish, but nope, it isn't. So, my carpet, last summer, before we had central air, my air conditioning was leaking. So my entire carpet underneath was soaked, and then it almost went moldy. So I had to rip it out myself, which honestly was the longest, not the longest, but like not the easiest, not the cleanest process. So that's why my carpet's all weirdly cut now. And then the other part is when the carpet was installed, this part wasn't in properly, so it just shifted. So I just took that part out. So yeah, and then my carpet also has Sharpie on it from Leslie. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, has Sharpie on it from Leslie. So, needless to say, I'm getting new carpet in this room.